Hello, guys. If you're wondering what I'm doing, it's a video request by some dude. I forgot his name. Person. Sorry. But he asked me to play a certain game.
Here we go.
Yes, no. It is Mario Kart for the Nintendo DS. Okay, you won't hear any noises. Because I'm picking Peach like I usually do. Focus. Peach. Okay. Oh, duh, I'm picking her vehicle. Oh. Perfect. No, I like something else better. Yeah. I like this one. I'm going to do something on that one. I'm gonna play it, and I'm doing it because I got a rank C. But we're doing Mario Circuit 1. Are you ready? Out of the grass, stupid. Out of my way, Luigi. Die! Hit him, yes. Bye! No. Oh yeah. Enough of you. I was ahead of you for like 5 seconds. Yeah. Get something. Duh. Oh. Concentrate on the camera too much. Not a good thing. Okay. What is wrong with them? They keep hitting me. I might wait to walk through if you request me to. Whoa. I'm a ghost. Oh yeah. Sorry. Here, I'll show you this better. I got second place, and I'm down here, and I'm second, and I'm April. So, yeah. I got behind Mario, but at least I got second place. Next course. This is the Moo Moo Farm. Maybe I might be in first this time. Sorry I'm not talking. Very much. Yes, I like concentrating. Oh, sorry if you can't see. I don't want you not seeing. Otherwise, it'd be completely worthless. Come on, hurry up. Avoid all the stupid little moles. Oh, like that doesn't mean... That doesn't do anything. Just make squeaky music. Go faster! Oh yeah, don't hit that block. Aww. Go faster, or else. No, 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 no. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, like that matters. Just slows me down a little. Oh. Well, that was not a very smart move. Oh, I'm about to win, I'm about to win, I'm about to win. Oh yeah. Sorry this is so long, I will finish now. Okay, bye.